how to set your status messages in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can set your status messages in Microsoft Teams. So the first step is to obviously launch your Microsoft Teams application, which I'm currently doing in a Windows laptop. And now once I'm inside the Microsoft Teams, I'm going to click onto my profile picture just right here at the top right corner of the screen. And then from here you can see this card appears. This says personal, and then from here I have these two options. So the first one is that I can choose my work location or availability like this. So for example, we have available, busy, or do not disturb. And then in order to set a status message, you can click onto this set status message, and then you can type in your message. And then from here you also have this option to remove this status message after a particular time. So for example, let's say I'm only away for an hour, so I'm going to choose it to 1 hour, and then I'm going to click onto this done option. And now you can see that my status message has been successfully updated for the specified time. So that's how easily you can update or set a status for your Microsoft Teams application. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.